Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change always on display clock style in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First, if you have enabled always on display, check what clock is used in your phone. Okay, lock your phone and one tap on it and you will see clock here. Okay, here this clock is selected. Okay, suppose if you want to customize this clock, yes, you can do it. You can change the style of the clock using always on display personalization. Go to the settings of your phone first, then go to wallpapers and style and click on always on display, and here go to system and here select digital clock, and here you can choose other clock options. Okay, there are various clock options available. Okay, you can choose any one of them here. Finally, I would like to select this clock. Okay, and click on apply and go to home screen and lock your screen and one tap on it and you are seeing here this selected clock. Okay, so always on display clock style has been changed to what I have selected. In this way you can easily customize a clock style for always on display in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.